Orientation at Fisher is a 2-day program. Students come to campus and are introduced to the campus environment. They have a broad overview session. They'll have some Fisher-specific sessions they attend over those 2 days. So orientation is designed to answer any questions that students or parents have, provide that comfort level that everyone feels that they understand what's going to happen and can be successful at the university. The morning of day one, students and parents attend a university-wide overview session. In this session, they hear from faculty about the differences between high school and college, and then oftentimes they'll split up parents and students to talk about that general transition and how to be successful. In the afternoon of day one, Fisher students and parents will come to an information session specifically about business. And in this session, it's led by an academic advisor. We talk about degree requirements, course selection, studying well, and kind of that general overview of starting to think about picking classes for their first semester. At the end of the session, we just open it up for any Q&A, and advisors just walk around. Any student or parent that has their hand up that has a question, we approach them and answer them individually. On day two, students come in with their courses already selected. That's their homework for the night before. And so they come into their one-on-one appointment with their courses selected, and we review them to make sure that they're appropriate, there are things that they need, and they're not taking something that they already have credit for. After their one-on-one appointment, they go up to a facilitated computer lab and actually get on and schedule their own courses. They get to choose the days and times for their classes for their first semester. The one-on-one appointments are only for students, and so while the students are in their appointments and then scheduling their classes, Fisher offers a couple of options for parents to attend. One option is with Fisher's Office of Career Management, which is our office that deals with anything related to internships, full-time jobs, job search, kind of things. And so parents can go and ask any questions about professional development opportunities or the internship search that they might have related to their student. There's another session that parents can attend with Fisher's Office of Global Business. And if they go to that one, they learn about education abroad opportunities, our global internship program, and things like that.
Fisher really blew me away. Everyone was super great and supportive, and then actually meeting my advisor, it just really made me feel like I made the right choices, what my major was to be and what school to go to.
My parents enjoyed the orientation experience. They were able to see exactly what my life would be like on campus. I feel like they felt really comfortable with the college that I chose. I'm just excited to be here.
For Fisher, it really is about creating a family experience. Ohio State is a large campus. When students come to Fisher, we want to make sure that they know that they are not a number. We know you by name. There's a lot of guidance that we can provide to students, and we're happy to do that.